In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert any MP4 files or any video files into music. There are some situations whereby you might want to convert a video file, maybe a musical video or any message that is in MP4, that is in video mode, and then you want to convert it to audio. So I'm going to teach you how you can do that using your phone. So without much ado, let's get started. The software that you will need is called Video to MP3. So go to Play Store and search Video to MP3, then you will see it. Once you install it, then you are going to start the work. Now you could see different options. You see video to audio, video cutter, output folder, and gift. So click on videos to audio. It means that you are going to convert videos to audio. So now it's going to check all through your files, and then you click the desired video that you actually want to convert into audio. So now this is a video I want to convert to audio, and then here you could see you can actually change the name to my audio, and then there are different formats. When you click on it, you could see, so you change it to MP3. So after changing it to MP3, you actually don't need to change the bitrate. So once you are done, there are other features in it. See, if you click on advanced, you will see volume, this and that, but you don't need to touch all that. So just click on convert. So you can see it has been it's converting. So this is how to convert any video file to audio file without stress. So you can actually visit my channel, Let's Learn Computer Together, to learn more about how to do some basic stuff with your phone and with your laptop. Now if you want to look for the audio, just go to your file manager. So after going to your file manager, just click on audio, and then you will see the audio in there. So it's loading here. So here it is. Can you see my audio MP3? Enjoy the day.